Google's tech giant shocked the world by releasing Gemini Artificial Intelligence, their most powerful AI model. This formidable creation has not only captured the attention of enthusiasts, but has also managed to surpass the once reigning champion GPT-4 in a remarkable display of technological prowess. But what makes Google Gemini stand out? What sets it apart from its predecessors, and how has it managed to outshine the highly acclaimed GPT-4? Let's find out. We will start with the most basic thing, that is, explaining what Google Gemini is. Google Gemini is an innovative universal AI model that's good at learning and interacting with technology. It's even better than previous models like GPT-4, and I'll tell you why. Unlike traditional language models, LLMs, Gemini not only exceeds at understanding and generating text, but also possesses the innate ability to comprehend, manipulate, and synthesize diverse forms of information, including images, audio, videos, and code. To utilize this versatility, consider the scenario where you present Gemini with an image and pose the question, "What's going on in this picture?" The model seamlessly processes the visual content, providing a descriptive analysis, and remains ready to engage with subsequent prompts seeking more intricate details. Google has disclosed that Gemini employs a transformer architecture, leveraging strategies such as pre-training and fine-tuning, similar to other prominent LLMs like GPT-4. Notably, Gemini distinguishes itself by undergoing simultaneous training on text, images, audio, and videos, without the incorporation of separate models at later stages. The significance of this unified training lies in enhancing the model's intuitive understanding of various concepts. For example, consider the expression monkey business. While a conventional AI model trained solely on images labeled monkey and business might depict monkeys in suits, Gemini, with its integrated training, grasps the complex connotations of the phrase. The result is a deeper understanding of the mischievous and deceitful aspects, allowing for a more sophisticated representation, perhaps monkeys in suits engaging in playful antics as opposed to a simplistic visual interpretation. According to Google, before Gemini, most multimodal AI models combined separately trained models for text and image processing. Gemini, however, aimed to pioneer a native multimodal model. It underwent initial training in a vast dataset, including trillions of tokens of text, images, videos, and audio, all simultaneously. Further refinement, employing techniques like reinforcement learning with human feedback, RLHF, enhanced the model's ability to generate improved and safer responses. Although Google doesn't specify the origin of all training data, it likely encompasses sources such as Common Crawl, Lion 5B image text databases, and proprietary data like Google Books. Gemini's unique approach involves training all AI modalities concurrently, allowing it to comprehensively understand and reason across diverse inputs. For instance, it can interpret charts, read text from signs, and integrate information from various modalities seamlessly. It is worth noting that GPT-4v, a forthcoming version, follows a similar training method but focuses only on text and images. Beyond its enhanced capacity for diverse input understanding, Gemini's text generation closely mirrors other AI models. Its neural network endeavors to generate coherent text based on the patterns observed in its extensive training data. Gemini consists of three main variations, each with a different focus. Gemini Ultra, a highly complex and capable model for specific use cases. Gemini Pro, a general-purpose model that balances scalability and performance. And Gemini Nano, a highly efficient model designed for use on smaller devices. This range of models makes it possible to customize the AI solution to specific needs, whether it's a task that requires high performance or a task that needs to be done on a low-powered device. Each Gemini model varies on the number of parameters, impacting their ability to handle complex queries and processing power requirements. While the exact parameter count is often kept confidential, Google claims Gemini Nano has two versions, with 1.8 billion and 1.325 billion parameters. Comparatively, GPT-3 boasts 175 billion parameters, providing a ballpark estimate for the larger Gemini models. Gemini is not just about impressive hardware, but is also strategic strategically designed for developers. With the surge of AI-based features in apps, Gemini aims to empower developers to build AI-driven applications and seamlessly integrate AI into their products. The key advantage lies in the integration through Google's cloud computing, hosting, and other web services. While Google employs Gemini to enhance its products, such as the chatbot Bard, developers can tap into the potential of Gemini Pro through the Gemini API in Google AI Studio or Google Cloud Vertex AI. This facilitates further training on their data, enabling the creation of powerful tools akin to what developers have already accomplished with GPT. So, is Google's Gemini really better than OpenAI's GPT-4? Let's settle this now. Google's Gemini versus OpenAI's GPT-4 together. Google's Gemini is a strong competitor to OpenAI's GPT-4. It's smart in thinking, good in math, understanding language, and coding. The Gemini Ultra model did even better than GPT-4 in tests for text, coding, visuals, audio, and video. In the realm of large language models, LLMs, Google's Gemini dominates, excelling in 30 out of 32 academic benchmarks. These benchmarks serve as a litmus test for mathematical reasoning, revealing the Gemini Ultra model's superiority in various domains. For the general capability category under MMLU, Gemini Ultra has 90% compared to GPT-4's 86.4%. Coming down to the reasoning category, Gemini has 83.6%, while GPT-4 has 83.1%. The difference here might be little, but it still shows that Gemini reigns. For drop, Gemini boasts of 82.4% compared to GPT-4's 80.4%. GPT-4 goes ahead to surpass Gemini in the Hella Swag category with 95.4% as against 87.8%, which is not too bad. For the math benchmark under GSM 8K, Gemini Ultra receives a 94.4% compared to GPT-4's 92%. On the math tasks, which include challenging problems including algebra, geometry, pre-calculus, and others, it achieved 53.2% compared to GPT-4's 52.9%. Then, a look at their coding capabilities crowns it all. With a human eval, Gemini Ultra achieved a 74.4% compared to GPT-4's 73.9%. Do you still need to be told the winner for this category? Moving forward, a closer examination of multimodality capabilities unveils a shared strength between the two models: the ability to process diverse data types encompassing text, code, visuals, audio, and video. This versatility enables users to analyze and manipulate a wide array of data formats seamlessly. Delving into the aspect of image, video, and audio benchmarks, Gemini Ultra stands out with scores surpassing GPT-4 by 10%. This heightened performance signifies Gemini Ultra's prowess in handling multimodal tasks, cementing its status as a leader in this facet of artificial intelligence. One more intriguing feature of Google Gemini lies in its advanced coding skills, enabling it to tackle intricate coding problems with a remarkable accuracy rate. Positioned as an engine for sophisticated coding systems, Gemini proves adept at completing complex coding tasks, showcasing a proficiency that sets it apart in the coding landscape. Gemini Ultra outshines GPT-4, boasting higher scores in benchmarks such as Human Eval and Natural 2 Code. This underlies Gemini's efficiency in handling code and mathematical tasks, positioning it as the model of choice for endeavors demanding precision and sophistication in these domains. While both GPT-4 and Gemini Nano and Pro models are publicly accessible, the same cannot be said for Gemini Ultra. The unavailability of Gemini Ultra stems from ongoing security and reliability checks, presenting a contrast to the accessibility of GPT-4. This accessibility factor is the only thing that positions GPT-4 as a more readily available option for users seeking immediate access to advanced language models. But how exactly is Gemini AI different from ChatGPT? The 3.5 model, used in the free version of ChatGPT, was trained with data until September 2022. This means that it can only give accurate information up to that date. While the same is technically true for GPT-4, it's more proficient than GPT 3.5 at understanding and responding to the latest information given in ChatGPT prompts. Gemini AI is trained on the latest internet data, allowing it to answer questions with the most up-to-date information. It's larger and more powerful than ChatGPT, having learned from a big dataset of text and code. This makes it able to generate more detailed and subtle text and tackle tougher tasks like translation and summarization. How can Gemini Gemini be applied and what does the future hold for it? You see, Gemini AI boasts a wide array of practical applications spanning diverse industries. In the healthcare domain, it aids physicians in diagnosing intricate medical conditions by meticulously analyzing patient data, thereby furnishing precise predictions. Leveraging its proficiency in processing extensive medical research and clinical data, Gemini AI extracts invaluable insights that contribute to enhancing patient outcomes. In the financial sector, Gemini AI emerges as a potent tool for fraud detection and risk assessment. Its prowess lies in scrutinizing vast financial datasets to discern patterns and anomalies, thereby assisting financial institutions in averting fraudulent activities and making well-informed investment decisions. Venturing into the transportation sector, Gemini AI has the potential to revolutionize traffic optimization. Real-time analysis of traffic data enables it to forecast congestion patterns, leading to more streamlined transportation systems and reduced commute times for travelers. These instances only scratch the surface of Gemini AI's versatility. It can be applicable across education, manufacturing, marketing, and entertainment. Looking ahead, Gemini AI stands as the vanguard of artificial intelligence, promising unparalleled capabilities and continual evolution. As technology progresses and data availability expands, Gemini AI is poised to become even more influential and adaptable, reshaping industries such as healthcare, finance, and transportation. One exciting prospect of Gemini AI lies in its integration of Internet of Things (IoT) devices. With the proliferation of IoT devices, Gemini AI can analyze copious amounts of data generated, facilitating intelligent automation and predictive capabilities. Most importantly, the collaborative potential of Gemini AI is immense. By synergizing with multiple AI models and knowledge sources, it can augment the capabilities of other AI systems, broadening the horizons of AI-driven solutions. While the future of Gemini AI is undeniably promising, addressing certain concerns is imperative. One notable apprehension involves potential AI bias, underscoring the importance of ensuring diverse and unbiased training data. Transparency in Gemini AI's decision-making is another crucial consideration, especially as the model's complexity increases, necessitating methods to comprehend and elucidate the rationale behind its predictions and decisions for user and stakeholder trust. In addition, responsible deployment is paramount. As AI models like Gemini AI become more adept, ethical usage must be prioritized, necessitating the establishment of clear guidelines and regulations governing their development and deployment for the benefit of humanity. What do you think about Google's Gemini? Let us know in the comment section below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more updates.